The deck previous was a wooden deck and it needed repaired. And so I decided to go with the new composite deck. And to complement the deck, because it's so sunny in the back, we needed to put up an awning. And I thought, where else but L's awning? Now with the new awning, you can sit out here all the time. It can be 85, 90 out, and still it's warm, but you're protected from the sun completely. It's a fantastic product. Jamie and Michelle, outstanding to work with, and they treated me with utmost respect. There's a 5-year warranty, and then there's a 10-year warranty also on, I think, the product, Sunbrella product. I'm happy, and it's actually like adding another room to the house. My wife Vicki and I, we love it, and we'll do it all over again. The quality and the structure is just fabulous, and they've been nothing but great to work with, and I'd recommend L's Awning to anyone.
Al's Awning has a terrific product. We have 3 awnings, as you can see. One of the largest is over the deck. Then we have one over the handicap area, and then of course one over the front door. Michelle was wonderful. She knew exactly what kind of awning we needed. She actually designed the awnings for us. And that was great because she designed them so that they would fit our building. Everyone gravitates outside and they sit out there under the awning, and they enjoy speaking to their friends, a glass of wine. I'm always amazed at how quickly the awnings go up and how quickly the awnings go down, as large as they are. I like the fact that the product is very sturdy, it's very, very durable, and I don't have to worry that it's going to rip, that it's going to tear. And if I have a problem, if I need a question answered, I can call Michelle and she's there for me. Yes, I would recommend Al's Awning highly.
I like the retractable awning for the flexibility. At nighttime, we get to watch a beautiful sky, starlit night, and during the day, the shade. And if it's a little bit of rain out, we can extend it that little bit and still be able to grill out on the deck. At nighttime, it's great with the lights. I can sit out here. The lights are just perfect. It's not too bright. Very easy to operate. It's 3 buttons, out, in, and turn the lights on. There was, I believe, a couple different sizes, but the width is the difference, and I wanted it a little wider than the porch just to help with a west wind in the rain. Yes, I highly recommend it. Al's for other awning installs.
Well, I'm always sitting outside in the morning reading, but there's no shade out here. And it gets pretty hot because the sun just beats down on this part of the house.
We originally talked about putting a structure off the back door and building a room off the back. And then when we talked to them at Al's Awning, they came over and gave us such good advice that we decided not to go through the expense of doing something like that and adding the awning where it is currently right now.
When we went into the showcase for where Michelle works, she sold me on her personality, and when they came out and stayed and did the evaluation of the house, and, I mean, that was it. We're going with them. There was no question about it.
And the people that work in the staff were very, very helpful in determining where we were going to put the structure and you know, what it was going to look like. They gave their advice.
I was very pleased with the amount of selection they had. We had books to look at, and what do you think? What do you think?
The best part that I like is the fact that I don't have to put it up and I don't have to take it down, because in case you don't know it, that could be a pain. And they put it up in about a half an hour, 15 minutes in the spring, and they'll probably come the first week of October, second week of October, take it down. They store it, bring it back, and they come back and put it up.
And if there's any tears or anything, they'll mend it too.
Yeah, they've been very, 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 very nice, and they do such a fine job and are so very helpful with all the things that they directed us to do.
Very nice, very professional.
Mm.
We've been so happy, so pleased.
Yep.